Okay, the purpose of this screencast is to show how to open a document that's been saved in a file in Microsoft Teams. So here we have a list of files that are saved on our team page. So first you want to come up and click on the document that you want to open, and the document will appear. In this case, it's the Day 3 lesson plan. Now, if you want to type and work in that document, you will come over to the three dots where it says More Options and click on it, and you're going to get a list of choices. In this case, open it in the desktop app. Okay, and you'll ask, is it okay to open Word? And you open Word. Now, if you have not already set up your computer to connect with Word, you may get asked a few questions. It may ask you for your email address, in which case you want to put in your RAC email address and your password, and then it will connect you to the Word app. Once you have done that, what will happen then is the document will now open in a Word document. And you can go and just type right in here. And I'm just going to put in Judy's name. Okay. And when you hit save, it'll save this document automatically. When you close it, it will go and update the document for you. So you'll see now when I reopen it, you're going to see that it now has the name Judy put in there, which I just entered a minute ago. So that is how you go and work on documents that are saved as a file in in Microsoft Teams. Again, go up to the three dots and open in desktop app, complete the document, save, and close it.